so can someone tell them what we're doing?
Adriana, you.
We're eating Raising Cane's. We're doing a mukbang.
We gotta film, and we're wearing our Raising Cane shirts. Oh, I don't want to wear these.
Has it been recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Okay, so we gotta do it like, you know who. Smile. Get in the picture, Jordan. Is it focused? I can't tell. I'm not wearing my glasses.
Yeah.
Rose, why are you eating the fry?
Okay. Well,
Rose is eating the fry. Who's this?
where's my drink?
Who's this?
I don't know. You can have it.
I put it up there.
Oh, can you get it? Okay, so
One key.
time to start eating. Oh.
Is this with me and Adriana's?
How many chickens is this? It's like 4.
There's lemonade.
Yeah, your guys' is the tea. Okay, so this one's mine. This one's your guys'.
Okay, I see bread.
Thanks. I'm not even in the shot. You gotta sit on the floor. I actually used to leave that there.
Put the drinks.
Yeah. Are you eating on camera, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is extra sauces. Okay. So, how was the second day of school?
Not so good at all.
What happened?
I turned into some girl named Veronica. Or Vanessa.
You need to get in more.
There's just a lot of drama.
I can't tell if it's focused. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, food's right here.
Aren't you supposed to film the food when you're eating it?
Yeah.
The food's not in the shot.
Let me see.
It's so good.
It's good.
You throw it right there in the lens.
It's so good.
What happened at school today, Michael?
Nothing. I just did a project and I didn't finish it, so I have to do it. It's due on Friday.
What project?
It's a project about a book called The Name Jar.
Hey, sit down.
He's probably gonna go in my room. I had chips in there, Rice Krispie, cookies.
You're smart.
Someone
But
should
they-
shut that door then.
They weren't open though.
She heard what you said. She's running over there now.
Hello. Look, girls took my spot. Look!
Hey, up. Up. Right here.
Where's Uppy?
Ah!
They're gonna think you're gross because you're touching the dog and eating.
With one hand. And the chicken is.
The dog is right
You
here.
came back.
Oh. We should tell them where we got these shirts. Who wants to tell that story? Because I didn't even go there, so.
I don't know.
We skipped first and second period to go to Raising Cane's, the grand opening, and we were the first 100th customer.
Says it.
Okay.
None of us worked there.
We're not workers.
Look at Rose. She's putting her head through our legs.
What did you drop?
Today I got a book on like the Little Mermaid, but it was Ursula's side of the story and how she became so evil. It looked cool. So I got it.
What is this? It looks like somebody bit it. You think somebody bit that?
I'm suing.
There's just not
Rose,
enough
did
bread.
you bite the chicken?
Zola.
Mm.
No.
We like the sauce, right?
I'll try it. I tried it before. I liked it a little bit.
Someone there.
Oh.
You're not hungry, Adrian?
Not really.
Can I get the sweet tea?
My
Sweet tea?
you know, hurts. And my head. My stomach and my head hurts.
Rose, don't
I
drink the
was laying
sweet
down
tea.
here, and then James came, and then Johnny came, and they left for the game, and then Moss was here.
Who's James?
The catcher on our team.
Wait, James came here?
Yeah, James was talking to me. He's like, the first day of school? No, actually second. I said, that's tough.
Wait, when did he come here?
Like 5 minutes before they left.
Where was I?
In your room, bumping
Boing.
Descendants music.
Literally.
Going.
Could you hear it from all the way over
Today I
here?
got my lock stuck on my pants. Because I didn't know how to open it last night. So I made Johnny open it and I accidentally locked it on my pants in first period in our homeroom.
Mm-hmm.
And I tried to get it off all day, but I couldn't.
Then what happened?
And at the end of the day, I saw my friend, and she's good with locks, so I told her my lock combination. My friend Jalen, she got my lock.
Is that how you guys became friends?
Don't say people's names. You should give them a nickname.
She's a cheater.
No, she was not.
Mm.
Oh yeah, we can roll it.
You don't know how to unlock a lock?
No, I forgot to do it.
What's your combination? I'll do it.
You don't know how to do this, Monkey.
My friend's big sister taught me how to do it.
3.
You're not hungry either?
I am. I'm just drinking most of the sweet tea.
Yeah, don't do that.
Wait, what the heck?
See?
Imagine you get it locked on your finger. Wait.
Oh,
Huh?
lock. Redo it. Redo it. 1, 2, 3. 35.
We should tell everyone. What did you do this summer?
I went to Laughlin with my friends
Boring.
and jumped off a
kidding.
giant cliff.
And you survived?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I had a life jacket on, but it was deep.
Oh, you jumped into
Dad
the
probably
ocean.
couldn't even reach.
We went to the beach. We built a pool in our backyard.
Yeah, we built a pool in our backyard. Let me get rid.
But the real vacation starts.
We're on the 23rd of this.
I gave her a fresh whip.
Because we're flying to.
Hawaii.
Maui.
You're both right.
Look at her. She wants to eat.
Anybody feed her today?
I don't know. I was here.
You don't feed her?
I was here for.
Don't you feed her in the morning?
Nope.
You should.
Why? She's already thinking Nikki.
Yo, I hate Nikki.
Rose, come here.
I hate Nikki.
What? You said Thicky Nicky? Ew. I thought she said Thicky Mickey.
Oh. Michael, give me the tea.
It's all gone. Hey! If you want to be in the mukbang, you can't be eating people's foods, Rose.
She's like, dang it, I almost had it.
I was hungry.
I just got done drinking 2 Danimals.
Wow.
They're inside the freezer. I mean the fridge.
And you just ate a pretzel from Sam's Club, huh?
I'm gonna finish the rest.
Yeah, that's also the reason why I'm not that hungry.
Sweet tea. After this, do you want to go swimming?
Sure. I have to do my laundry too. I forgot about that.
You're gonna do your laundry, then you're gonna go swimming? How long is that gonna take?
I don't know. I just put it in. Maybe like 5 minutes.
Oh. I'm just gonna be bumping Descendants music. Can you hear it from all the way over here?
No.
Then how did you know I was? Wait, how did you know I was then?
What?
Oh, because I was walking in the hallway and I saw.
And you started to hear?
This?
When you're walking in the hallway, you started to hear it?
I'm looking for a napkin. I just wiped it on
My
my
thing was
clothes.
on 100. Alexa was on 100.
You have to charge Alexa?
No. The
Oh, I thought he said Alexa was on 100. I'm like, it's a charge Alexa.
thing, the volume was on 100.
That's not.
You fart?
No, it was a water bottle.
I hope so.
It was like that.
Because I'm eating.
It was the
sick.
water bottle. My mobile.
You're staring at that. You just stare at that. You what?
I think I'm lucky that I have my friend help me unlock my lock to keep me. So I have to do it.
Hey.
Wait, why do you have your lock? Shouldn't it be on your locker?
We haven't went into the locker room yet.
Oh,
Just like,
are you guys just sitting down doing nothing?
no, well, me of course. That's all I ever do. I'll play basketball, do any of that. I sit down.
I
Most
play
of
on
what
my
I do,
playground.
I'll walk around the basketball court.
I play on my playground.
I will do nothing.
But you don't have to do that.
Yeah, because we're not little kids no more.
Are you sad that you don't have them? Didn't you used to do monkey bars for lunch?
Hey, come here.
Didn't you used to do
She
monkey
said,
bars?
Hey.
I want that bread.
You want to be on this?
Adrina, didn't you used to do monkey bars a lot?
What happened?
Trying to hug, give
She's
her a
leaning
hug.
away.
No!
She doesn't want hugs. She wants chicken.
She doesn't eat chicken.
Yeah. She doesn't like that one.
Who's up?
Are you done, Michael?
No. I got the same teacher as last year.
Like this service.
Your head is facing the camera.
The
Can you move
service
it?
was like so bad that it had to say no service.
Where?
No service. It was on top of like
In Laughlin?
yeah, where it says Verizon. It said no service.
I don't know why, but Laughlin, Nevada has the worst service in America.
It usually does it with us. Oh, monkey.
What?
Monkey.
Ooh, huh.
He put coffee on his pancakes.
Ew.
I thought it was
And he thought it was
syrup.
syrup, but he put it on his pancakes, and it turned out to be coffee. Cause I'm like, excuse me, what's this? And he goes, oh, that's coffee. That's what we put on the table, and everyone just started laughing.
You're facing the thing.
What?
You're blocking the shot.
I think
With your head.
sleep. I want to go sleep.
Why don't you go swimming,
Me?
Andrina?
I can't.
This is Mark.
I'm my best friend with me.
Michael, stop.
Michael, look. Stop it.
You're gonna break my camera. It's gonna fall and you're gonna break it
And then you're gonna have to pay for a new one.
out of your
Oh, look
savings.
at Rose! She's doing it too.
Excuse me. I'm full.
I am too. I've been full of them. I'm
What?
Your food?
No, I put some of the fries on your plate.
Oh. I was like, whoa! Oh, but I gotta read. Then I gotta go to sleep. My head be hurting. Look at Rosie. Don't do that. Why are you hitting Rosie?
No.
Are you okay, Rosie? Are you okay? Yeah, that meatball, he hit you. Michael.
I was thinking either a Raising Cane's mukbang or a Wingstop mukbang.
Ooh, Wingstop. I've been craving that one for a long time.
I'll do that next week
That next week.
because the wings are on sale on Mondays and Tuesdays only.
You're gonna
Looks like a rose is saying that. What's it?
This lemonade is so good. Do you guys like the sweet tea?
Nope. Look away, Rose. Look away. Rose.
Don't tease her. That's not nice.
She's gonna come after you in your
Yep.
sleep and eat you like a meatball.
Get down.
You are a meatball.
She's trying to eat my glasses.
She said, munch, 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 munch. I'm gonna see if she has any food.
She doesn't have food in her bowl.
No.
Trina didn't feed her this morning. It's like big belly.
You gotta put your backpack on.
Why? I leave it wherever I want to leave it.
Oh,
Oh.
Michael
I bet
is
you when Mom gets
rude.
here, she's gonna say, Michael, put your backpack away where you don't lose everything. Where we don't have to search for it anymore.
Can you come sit down and read?
Everything is already out, and my backpack stays zipped. Not like I'm ever gonna touch it and
All
stop
right,
for school.
well, we're done. It was a hot mess.
Actually, yeah, I am gonna touch it. I'm doing my homework.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.